After a smile. Okay, let's start. Okay, so the next topic is our density. So when we say density, it is the mass per unit of volume of substance. It gives how much of an object is in a specific volume of an object. The higher your density is, the more of your substance is in a smaller space. Okay? So denser objects tend to become heavier even though they are fewer in number or in volume. Okay? If you ever tried to pick up a bottle of a solvent like carbon tetrachloride or hexane, and if you compare them to water, even if their volume is the same, 2.5 liters, they tend to weigh differently. Like for example, carbon tetrachloride, akala nyo tubig, pag ganun nyo, parang bato. Mabigat ang carbon tetrachloride because of their molar mass. So, the formula for density is very straightforward. Mass over volume. You can get density by dividing mass over volume. Next unit is our specific gravity. Now, specific gravity is a ratio expressed decimally of the weight of a substance over the weight of an equal volume of substance chosen to be a standard. It is calculated by dividing the weight of a given substance by the weight of an equal volume of water. And the formula is this one. I will not question you on specific gravity for now, since there is actually a dedicated topic for this in our physical pharmacy. Okay? It's a fee farm. All you have to do for now is to know that specific gravity is a ratio of masses. Now, what is the difference between specific gravity and density? Simply put, for now, the only difference between specific gravity and density is that density carries a unit. Density is grams per ml, while spec-grav has no unit. Specific gravity has no unit because it's weight over weight, and it would cancel out. Hence, specific gravity has no unit. Most of the time, class, in non-critical applications like in pharmacy, density would be sufficient. But for critical situations like in engineering, material science, it is more customary to use specific gravity there. But in our case, the only difference between specific gravity and density is that density has a unit, specific gravity has no unit. Numerically, they are the same. Numerically, they are the same. Water has a specific gravity of 1. And the density of water is 1 gram per ml. Density has a unit, specific gravity has no unit. If we want to be more specific on where we get specific gravity, okay, here's the procedure. You don't actually have to compute this, but here's the procedure. First, you weight the substance. I mean, you get the volume of substance. Get volume of substance. Okay. Take for example, your substance is 25 ml. You're going to get 25 ml of a reference material. Get volume of substance. Number 2, get reference material with a volume of your sample. So take for example, your volume of the substance is 25 ml. You're going to get 25 ml of a reference. Now, your reference is water. Most of the time, your reference is water. And water has a density of 1. So what happens is you get 25 ml times density, 1 gram per ml, you get 25 grams. Hence, numerically, it is the same with your density and specific gravity. The reason is our standard is water, and water has a density of 1. Kaya numerically, specific gravity and density are the same. Okay? But all you need to know at this point is numerically they are the same. Density has a unit, specific gravity does not have a unit. More on this we will discuss on physical pharmacy. Okay? Here are the formula for density, mass, and volume. So if you know how to derive, you could go with density. Density has a unit of rho, like this one. Is mass over volume. If we want to get the volume of the substance, volume equals mass over density. And if you want to get the mass of a substance, mass equals density times volume. Okay? Use your magic triangle. I don't know how to use your magic triangle. Marunong ako mag-derive. Hindi ko kailangan yan. Okay? You can memorize this formula. You could use your magic triangle, or you could simply derive from the base formula. Okay? Okay po. Now, how do we get the mass and volume of an object? Okay? If you have mass, if you have a solid, simply place it on a weighing scale, you have mass. Tama po ba? Tapos. However, if it is a liquid, you cannot simply place a liquid in a weighing scale. Sasampalin namin kayo pag ginawa nyo yon. Okay? You have to place it in a graduated cylinder or any container you would like. Okay? Number 1, weigh your container. Number 2, add your liquid. Number 3, then weigh. Then weigh. Number 3, subtract 2 and 1. So the formula is weight of liquid plus container minus weight of liquid. Weight of container. Okay? And you would get the weight of your liquid. Claro? Okay? In practicality, you don't actually have to compute for this. As long as the balance can tear, magsisiro na yon. So, any liquid you place would be the weight of the liquid already. But most of the time, hindi po tayo mayaman na school. Like say of the Philippines University Batangas, iisang weighing scale. Kaya ang ginagawa, we're going to weigh our container first, then weigh it together with the liquid, then subtract the weight of our container. And we would get the weight of the liquid. Okay po? Okay, how do we get the volume? If your sample is a liquid, place it in a graduated cylinder, okay na po yon. But if your sample is a solid, it's either you compute using geometry solid mensuration, or you place it using the water displacement method. For our water displacement method, you use a weighing scale, a graduated cylinder. You place a known volume of water, get the initial reading. So you place water in your graduated cylinder. You get your initial reading. You add your solid. Then read the volume. The difference in volume is the volume of the object. Okay? So, final minus initial is the volume of the object. Okay po. Okay. There are more accurate ways of determining specific gravity and density, like the pycnometer method and hydrometer methods, but that is for physical pharmacy. For now, ito ang kaya ng isang first-year student. Okay? Okay, sample problem. Why is density useful in pharmaceutical calculations? It is useful because it allows you to convert mass and volume. It allows you to convert mass and volume. You could turn grams to ml and ml to grams using density. That is the main point of density. Okay? There are some situations in which you need to convert mass to volume. In that case, you would need density. Pag may nakita kayong density sa problem, baka pampagulo, or baka may kailangan kayong i-convert into something. It's either grams to ml or ml to grams. Okay? Sample problem. We can answer this within 10 minutes. If 500 ml, okay, please, wait. I forgot to tell you something. The standard unit for density is gram per ml. Or kilogram per liter. That is the same. That is the same. Gram per ml and kilogram per liter is the same. Okay? For pharmacy, our standard is gram per ml or gram per cm cube or centiliter, cubic centimeter. Now, if you have units that are not gram or ml, you need to convert it to gram per ml before getting the density. Okay? Since the standard unit is gram per ml. Naintindihan? Solve. Answer. 1.5. What is our mass? 750 grams. What is our volume? 500. Nasaan na? Yun, 500. Mass over volume equals density, 750 over 500 ml. Check nyo kung grams per ml muna. Grams per ml, tama. That is 1.5 gram per ml. Okay po? In engineering, they tend to use kilogram per liter. But it is the same with gram per ml. Did you get the correct answer? Yeah. Ano? May no? Madali lang yan. Yes! Okay. Gulat ako, may nagkamali. Next! If 250 ml of alcohol weighs 203 grams, what is its density? 0.8. May sagot na ang manual niyan. Dapat bumili ng bago. Okay, the answer is 0.812 gram per ml. Alcohol is less dense than water. Okay, that's the reason why things float. If they have different densities, the lower density one will float on top, provided that they do not interact with each other in a solvent-solvent property. Okay. Now, ito yung sinasabi ko kanina. If a gallon of cough syrup weighs 3.2 kilograms, what is its specific gravity? Gallon, 3785. 32. Ganyan lang po kadadali ang tanong sa board exam pag Farcal. Dali lang ang Farcal. Pero hindi ako uno sa Farcal. Parang 1.25 lang. Ironically, uno ako physics. Tinanggal na physics sa inyo ngayon. Parang... Kaya ako yung nagpapaano sa Farcal. Pag mataas ang score mo, pwede kang exempted na. Uno ka na. Okay, answer. 0.845. 845 ano? Wala. Specific gravity. Specific gravity has no unit. 1 gallon, 3.2 kilograms over 1 gallon, we need to convert. 1 kg, 1,000 grams, 1 gallon is 3.785, 3,785 ml. Pararekta na. So, then divide directly. Kilogram, kilogram, gallon, gallon, gram, ml, correct, 0.845. Spec graph, so wala. Okay po? Did you get the answer? Madali lang yan, ha? Okay. Okay. The rest is for your own solving. Kindly skip this one. The prescription one, kung nandyan, skip this one. Okay. Theoretically, you can compute for the density. But, theoretically, you can compute for the density. But, looking from it in a chemical perspective, the answer would be wrong. Because these things would dissolve in water, giving you a slightly different volume. Okay? Okay po? Okay, answer the rest at your own leisure. I think this is already uploaded as well. Last topic for prelims. I think, alam ko. Ay? Hindi pala. Hindi pa. May isa pa. Kailangan ko lang habulin yung umabsent ako, then yung next week. After which, on pace na tayo. Wala na. Saan yun? We don't have any more makeup class on Friday. Okay. proportion. Okay.